Mustang Coupe.
All right, Bill just got out of this, and this is what is the version of this truck?
1957 B30 Mack.
1937
1957
B30 Mack. Guys, this has just been restored, and just you heard it. Bill just told me how great it runs. He just drove it in, as you saw, and this is the interior. It is nice. Yeah, that's time capsule right there. That's what I call time capsule. Is there, do you know, Bill, if there's supposed to be a cap on there? Probably a cap for the steering wheel.
Yeah, the horn button.
Yeah, the horn, I mean, if the only thing's missing is a horn button, you know, that's not going to affect price. No way. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I just love antique vehicles. I just love history. And I get excited about it and want to share it with you guys. Very cool. All right. Road trip. Road trip with Ed. I like the echo. All right, I thought we were gonna do a road trip, but Ed and I can't help ourselves. We gotta look under the hood. It's not locking.
There's, you could probably reach
Where?
a mechanism like underneath there that probably does something. That's it.
Do we have it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, we wanna make sure this darn thing doesn't fall. Yeah, it's good. Wow, flathead, right? Look at that flathead. Look at that.
Straight six.
Straight six flathead, man. This is all original. This is amazing. This is gonna sell very quickly. It's so rare. Look at that. That looks original. That patina stuff, guys, is exciting. They use the original parts. They rebuild them inside, and they leave the patina on them when they can. What is that orange thing, you think? That canister. Somebody's gonna tell me what it is. I don't know what it is. There's the coil, carburetor, air cleaner, radiator, big honking radiator, big fan, big belts. Everything's big on this thing. And there's that bulldog. Yeah.
Patented.
Oh yeah, that is so cool. Mack Trucks. Dun, dun, dun. We're just mentioning, Ed's mentioning, I know eventually we're gonna get to this drive. We're trying to get out of here. But Ed's mentioning he likes the school bus yellow. I like the size of that pumpkin. I mean, that thing's gotta be 2 feet tall. It's hard to describe the size of it, but look at that. How cool is that? I just think it's really cool.